What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are doing I seen another video. It's like the 100 fruit challenge, and we have 100 pieces of fruit, which looks lovely. I'm excited to eat it. Mahogany's already over here eating, so I guess we're down to like 98 pieces now because she already ate the strawberry. And now she's eating the grape. But I guess we gonna get started. Wait, first things first. We made a video on my sister's page, so go over to her page, which will be in the description box down below, and check out that video and tell us what you think of that one. It was pretty fun to make. But we're gonna get started now. Mahogany, you just like, we have some apples, cantaloupe, orange slices, pineapples, honeydew, kiwi, strawberries, and grapes. I'm going to go. Cantaloupe. You beat the strawberry up. This kiwi was so ripe. Too ripe. Like, it was
strawberry.
It was so easy for me to cut. But it's so good. I don't really like pineapple unless it's very sweet. I hope it's sweet. I don't know.
Oh, you ain't try.
I got cantaloupe. I love cantaloupe. That's why I just ate the whole thing. Mahogany is enjoying this. Now you tell me if it's sweet. It's sweet. Good. I love fruit, but bananas. I can't do bananas. Bananas are not my thing. It's tangy. You talking about? Talking about sweet. Woo! Yeah, it's tangy, but it's kiwi good. When I was pregnant, I ate strawberries all the time, but now, what? Strawberries? Now I don't even like them.
They're tangy.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
Boo, these are your favorite. I cut these very, very thin.
We must never stop the way.
What?
I'm there. I'm full already.
Yeah, it can look good.
Yeah.
I'm full. We're gonna do this as like the 100 fruit challenge, but it's more so of like a mukbang, a fruit mukbang. So I'm not even gonna put it in title as a challenge because I doubt that we'll be able to eat all this. Cause I'm getting pretty full right now. Try some apple. I brought these pre-sliced apples. Where are you going?
Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for
It's right.
Let's go back to when we were young.
Like when I was cutting. And I just went through like it with butter.
Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the lane.
See.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah.
Yeah. Woo! Whoa. I guess since we ate corn. Is it good, boo? Is it good? Say yummy, yummy, in my stomach. That orange is tangy. Well, Mahogany eating all the strawberries. What? Whoa.
Get you another one.
Or what?
Strawberry. I'm gonna have that one.
Get another one. Well, well.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm full.
Yeah.
Whoa. I hope you guys enjoyed this fruit mukbang. I'm still trying to figure out how to say it. But I'm in this video because I'm full. And Mahogany, you gonna tell them bye-bye? No, tell them bye-bye. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to go check out my sister's page with the video we made on her page. We will see you guys later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.